This is Barb Deshane, Investigating Officer with WorkSafeBC. I'm going to walk you through an accident investigation at this pulp mill. In the accident, a worker in the industrial cleaning industry was killed while cleaning a pipe with a water jet. Water jet systems are heavy-duty pressure washers with truck-mounted pumps and engines. They are used in industries like oil and gas, pulp and paper, to clean pipes, vessels, and surfaces. With pressures up to 40,000 psi, they are much more powerful than a home pressure washer. The spray from a water jet can cut like a power saw. In pulp mills, residue builds up inside process pipes. The worker had been trying to clean out the lime residue from the end of this pipe using a 20,000 psi flex lance. Flex lance is basically a high-pressure hose with a nozzle on the end, used to clean the interior surfaces of pipes. The nozzle on a flex lance blasts water backwards and forwards, self-propelling the hose through a pipe. When cleaning a pipe with a flex lance, workers insert the lance into the pipe, blast out the residue, and then withdraw the lance. In the accident, the worker was cleaning out the end of a pipe above him. He was standing 8 to 12 feet back from the pipe using a new flex lance. New flex lances tend to want to recoil. The worker lost control of the flex lance. It came out of the pipe, recoiled, and bored into his upper body. Collapsed from his injury and later died. How can we prevent accidents like this from happening again? A jetting gun, not a flex lance, should be used to clean the end of a pipe. Clean the rest of a pipe. A flex lance can be used along with a backup preventer. Backup preventer keeps the nozzle of the flex lance from inadvertently coming out of the open end of the pipe. Mark each flex hose with paint 2 feet from the outlet end to help indicate where the end of the hose is when the hose is inside a pipe. Work from a scaffold or platform to ensure that the hose or lance can be positioned no higher than your shoulders and no lower than your feet. Load of the lance is controlled by a worker stepping on or off a foot dump. Ensure that the worker handling the lance has direct control of the foot dump. In this accident, a second worker was controlling the foot dump. Wear eye and hearing protection as well as protective boots and clothing. Consider Kevlar-lined garments. Water jet injuries are devastating. As a result of this accident, several BC pulp mills developed new water jet safety practices to help prevent a reoccurrence. Work safely. Your life depends on it.